every Muslim should be warned of the danger of the words I, my or mine, and I possess. Indeed, these three phrases are what Iblees, Fir'awn and Qaroon were tried with. Iblees said, I am better than him. Fir'awn said, is not mine the kingdom of Egypt? Qaroon said, this has been given to me only because of knowledge I possess. So regarding the slave of Allah saying I, then the best that he can be described with is, I am a slave of Allah who sins, makes mistakes, seeks forgiveness and recognizes this. So regarding the saying of my or mine and similar statements, then he should say my sins, my crimes, my humbleness, my corruption and my submissiveness. So regarding the saying of I possess, he should say, forgive me for my mistakes and what I do intentionally in jest or in seriousness, and I possess all these shortcomings.